Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Mini Blender is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming the way you prepare everything from morning smoothies and protein shakes to homemade baby food, salad dressings, and even finely chopped ingredients for your favorite recipes, all while saving precious counter space and simplifying your daily culinary adventures with its compact power and efficiency. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Food Chopper 72850. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Food Chopper. Its patented stack and press design makes assembly and operation incredibly simple. Just press the lid to start chopping and release to stop. Forget complicated twist locking mechanisms. With this design, you simply stack the lid on top of the bowl. It's designed for ultimate convenience, making your kitchen tasks quicker and easier. This 3-cup chopper is the ideal size for your daily cooking needs. It allows you to chop and mix ingredients for any meal. Plus, its compact design ensures easy storage in any kitchen. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, purees, and emulsifies a variety of ingredients. From onions and carrots to nuts, it handles them all with ease. An integrated oil dispenser on the lid also makes creating dressings and sauces a breeze. Cleaning up is no longer a chore. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy your meal without worrying about the cleanup. Don't let its mini size fool you. This small food chopper boasts a powerful 350-watt motor. It provides all the necessary power to prepare a wide range of foods, including tough ingredients like nuts, herbs, and even homemade baby food. What we like? This mini food processor stands out with its unique stack and press design, making operation incredibly simple and intuitive. If you value effortless assembly and quick chopping without complicated twist locking, this is your go-to. It's perfect for daily meal prep, offering powerful performance for a variety of ingredients with ultimate convenience. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instruction to not fabricate content. Number 4. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor DLC 2 ABC. Experience superior functionality with this compact kitchen essential. Its efficient 250-watt motor and patented reversible stainless steel blade make quick work of your ingredients. It effortlessly chops herbs, dices vegetables, and grinds hard cheese. Enjoy convenient control with its user-friendly design. This 24-ounce food chopper features a push-button panel and an auto-reversing smart power blade. It offers 2 powerful processing options, chop and grind. From fresh herbs to firm cheeses, this versatile appliance handles it all. Its sharp, blunt-edged blade system ensures consistent results every time. Just press a button and let it do the work for you. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. The work bowl and lid are completely dishwasher safe for your convenience. For the motor base, simply wipe it clean with a damp sponge or cloth. It comes complete with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find a 24-ounce work bowl with a handle, the stainless steel blade, a spatula, and an instruction recipe book. Crafted with a durable, lightweight plastic body, this appliance is designed for everyday use. It is also BPA-free, ensuring your food preparation is safe and healthy. This mini chopper comes with a limited 18-month warranty. What we like? Next up, we have a versatile option featuring a patented reversible stainless steel blade for dual functionality. Its smart power blade allows you to easily switch between chopping and grinding, giving you precise control over texture. If you need a compact processor that excels at both fine chopping herbs and grinding hard cheeses, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Proctor Silex 1.5 Cup Mini Food Processor. Introducing the Proctor Silex 1.5 Cup Mini Food Processor. Its compact design makes it ideal for your daily kitchen tasks. You'll find it incredibly convenient for all your small prep needs. This versatile little machine is more than just a vegetable chopper. Use it to effortlessly chop onions, create smooth baby food, or emulsify your favorite dressings. It handles a wide range of ingredients with ease. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it efficiently cuts through various ingredients. From tough carrots to delicate nuts, it delivers consistent results every time. Experience powerful performance in a compact package. Achieve your desired food texture with simple pulse speed control. Whether you prefer chunky salsa or a silky smooth puree, it puts you in command. Enjoy perfectly prepared ingredients tailored to your taste. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with this appliance. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Its small footprint means it won't clutter your countertop. Easily store it in a cabinet or leave it out for quick access. This mini processor eliminates the need for bulky equipment for small jobs. What we like? This compact model is designed for efficiency in smaller tasks, featuring a convenient 1.5 cup capacity. It offers simple pulse speed control, allowing you to customize food texture from chunky to smooth with ease. If you're looking for a space-saving solution for quick, everyday prep like garlic, salsa, or baby food, this is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Turelar 1100W Immersion Blender 5 in 1 set. Equipped with a robust 1100W full copper motor, it delivers significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities. This ensures velvety smooth purees in seconds, eliminating lumpy chunks from your recipes. Its pulse-activated sensor allows you to control your recipes with intuition, reducing splattering. You can quickly switch from low to high speed for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Featuring a unique food-grade nylon blade guard, it minimizes suction and prevents scratches on your pots and pans. This design keeps splashes at bay, ensuring a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. The stylish and ergonomic grip provides a non-slip and comfortable hold, even during continuous blending. It makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking, ideal for various special occasions. It comes with multiple attachments that detach and swap out with a single click, making cleaning swift. This UL-approved appliance boasts advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Safety is paramount, even with hot ingredients. Its reinforced food-grade blades offer exceptional sharpness and durability, effortlessly blending tough ingredients. The breaker and chopper are 100% BPA-free for safe use. What we like? Moving on, this powerful immersion blender set boasts an impressive 1100-watt motor for incredibly smooth results. Its trigger variable speed design gives you intuitive control, and it comes with multiple attachments for diverse kitchen tasks. If you need a multifunctional tool that can blend directly in pots, whisk, and chop with high power, this comprehensive set is perfect. What people say. Number 1. LINKChef 6-cup mini food processor. This multifunctional electric food processor is your ultimate kitchen companion. It effortlessly handles everything from meat and veggies to nuts, sauces, and even ice, making meal prep a breeze. Equipped with a 250W high-performance motor, it chops, grinds, and purees in mere seconds. Its one-touch operation helps you cut meal prep time in half, delivering fast and efficient results every time. All its parts are crafted from stainless steel and are BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your family's daily meals. Built-in safety features and durable construction guarantee reliable performance you can trust. With intuitive 2-speed control, it offers precise texture customization. Use low speed for coarse chopping and high speed for smooth blending, making it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly for everyone. Its 6-cup capacity is ideal for 1 to 3 people, providing ample volume for daily cooking and meal prep. This compact design saves valuable counter space in your kitchen. Resistant to scratches and corrosion, its stainless steel bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup effortless, saving time and effort after every use. What we like? Finally, we have a robust food processor offering a generous 6-cup capacity and a durable stainless steel bowl. It features 2-speed control for precise chopping and grinding, making it highly versatile for various ingredients. If you frequently process larger batches, including meat, and appreciate sturdy, easy-to-clean components, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.